Customs authorities on Thursday sought to allay the fears over safety regarding the storage of nearly 700 tons of ammonium nitrate at a container freight station near Chennai. The storage became a cause for a serious concern in the backdrop of the explosion of the chemical in the Lebanese capital city of Beirut on Tuesday, which killed over 135 people and injured around 4,000. The chemical, worth rupees 1 crore 80 lakh, was seized from a Tamil Nadu-based importer in 2015 who had allegedly declared it as fertilizer grade, although it was an explosive grade, a custom official said. But the consignment imported from South Korea was safe and an e-auction process was on to clear it. Meanwhile, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has directed field officers to verify within 48 hours that all explosive materials lying in custom warehouses and ports meet safety and fire standards and pose no danger to people's lives. Actor Rhea Chakraborty and 5 others were named by the Central Bureau of Investigation on Thursday over the death of her boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput after the probe by the Bihar police based on a complaint filed by actor's father was transferred to the agency. The case has been given to the agency's elite special investigation team, which has been going after fugitive business tycoon Vijay Mallya and the Augusta Westland chopper deal, CBI sources said. Now, Rhea Chakraborty and the others have been charged for alleged abatement of suicide, criminal conspiracy, theft, cheating, wrongful confinement and criminal intimidation. A 12-year-old girl raped and tortured inside her home in Delhi is in a critical state and under observation after her surgery at AIIMS Hospital. Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal, describing it as a barbaric crime, said that he had spoken to the police chief and a hunt was on for the attacker. He said that the child is in a serious state, unconscious. A surgery has been done. She will be under observation for 24 to 48 hours. He said that he would get the best lawyer on the case and ensure that the attacker got the toughest punishment. The girl was bleeding incessantly and had severe wounds on her body when she was taken to the hospital. Before his visit to the hospital, Kejriwal tweeted that the savage assault has shaken him to the core. He said that such predators roaming free cannot be tolerated. India has firmly told China that it will not move back any further in the region along Pangong Lake as military commanders of the two sides continue discussions on disengagement in eastern Ladakh. In the last meeting, India rebuffed China's demand that its troops vacate a critical post to facilitate further disengagement. China wanted India to remove a critical post called the Dhan Singh Thapa post located on Finger 3, one of the spurs along the lake, for Chinese forces to move back more towards the direction of Finger 8, where India believes the line of actual control lies. But India has refused to do so since the post on Finger 3 is within Indian territory. India today strongly rejected Pakistan's criticism of the launch of construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya and asked the neighbouring country to refrain from any communal incitement. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava also asked Pakistan to desist from interfering in India's affairs. Srivastava said that we have seen the press statement by Islamic Republic of Pakistan on a matter internal to India. It should desist from interfering in India's affairs and refrain from communal incitement. He further said that while this is not a surprising stance from a nation that practices cross-border terrorism and denies its own minorities their religious rights, such comments are nevertheless deeply regrettable.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.